Hi everyone, in this video I will mention 10 common problems that 4th generation Toyota Prius vehicles are prone to experience. Number 1. The infotainment and navigation system in some 2016 to 2019 models tends to reboot randomly. Other times the screen freezes during a phone call, or the radio station display doesn't match the radio station playing, among other issues. Performing a software update usually solves these problems. Number 2. Some 2016 to 2018 models have been recalled because the engine wiring harness that connects to the hybrid power control unit is prone to rub against the cover, exposing the metal part of the electrical wires, creating the risk of short circuit that could lead to a vehicle fire. The repair consists in replacing the damaged wiring harness and protecting it to avoid any future damage. Number 3. Some 2019 models have been recalled due to a faulty combination meter plate that is prone to fail by short circuit. When this part fails, it causes the speedometer, odometer, and fuel gauge to stop working. The repair consists in replacing the defective combination meter plate with a new one. Number 4. The paint on the rear quarter moldings in some of these vehicles tends to peel off. Number 5. The hybrid battery in many of these vehicles is prone to fail between 150 and 200,000 miles. Number 6. The Tpms sensors tend to malfunction over time, causing the TPMS light to illuminate on the dashboard. Number 7. The windshield in many 2016 and 2017 models is prone to crack easily. Number 8. The CV boots tend to rip over time, causing dirt to enter and damage the CV joints. Number 9. Mildew is prone to accumulate on the AC evaporator, causing a bad smell coming out of the vents when the AC is on, especially in humid climates. Running the heater on the highest setting helps to eliminate some of the mildew, and replacing the cabin filter often helps to minimize the problem. Number 10. The wheel bearings in many of these vehicles are prone to become noisy between 150 and 200,000 miles and need to be replaced. There you have it, my friends. Those are 10 common problems that 4th generation Toyota Prius vehicles are prone to experience. Take care.